Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain YNAB assigned vs available, which is better. Start by opening your budget and looking at a category with transactions, then follow these steps to compare assigned versus available amounts, noting how each affects your spending decisions. I'll walk you through real examples and simple rules to help you decide which view supports your goals and how to adjust habits for clearer cash flow control. Assigned amounts are like promises you make to your future self, where each dollar has a purpose and a destination in your budget. Think of assigned funds as labeled envelopes for bills and goals, which prevents accidental spending and keeps priorities funded. I'll explain common scenarios, show how to reassign when priorities change, and offer quick tips to maintain flexibility without losing the clarity that assigned budgeting provides. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful budgeting guides and tips. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during budget sessions with a reliable bottle like the Owala water bottle I mentioned. It's handy on long planning days and keeps you focused. Check the description for the link and other deals related to tools I use and recommend. Now let's get back to the video. Available reflects the practical side of your budget, the cash you can actually use today for groceries, gas, or a meal out. It's dynamic and changes with transactions, so checking available balances helps you avoid overspending and keeps everyday choices aligned with your plan. I'll cover how available interacts with assigned funds, demonstrate quick checks to prevent mistakes, and share a simple habit to keep available balances accurate and reassuring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.